The most magical encounter with dolphins I've ever had in the ocean. Come with me on this dive in Hawaii. The first thing that we saw was the dolphins and a spotted eagle ray. If you can look really closely, you can see a dolphin behind it. This is one of the most incredible videos I've ever captured, and we saw this pretty much right upon entry, so I already knew that today was going to be a really, really special dive. If you listen to the background noises, this is actually what dolphins sound like underwater, and this is how they communicate with each other through high-pitched squeaks and whistles. This spotted eagle ray hung out with us for a pretty long time. Usually they're really timid and you don't get to spend a lot of up-close time with them, so this was really interesting. Here is me descending because the dolphins did another circle and they came back. They were incredibly social on this day. The video doesn't do it justice, but there were hundreds of dolphins and it was really hard to capture all of them at the same time. It's always so heartwarming to see a baby dolphin amongst the pod. Oh my goodness, they're so cute and so little. Since it is illegal to chase and swim after dolphins in Hawaii, you have to be incredibly lucky to be at the right place at the right time to see them. And usually when you see them, it's only for a split second because they swim really fast. Next thing you know, they're gone. But on this day, they kept circling my friends and I. I don't know why, but they were super playful. The feeling of being out and encountering these wild animals in their habitat in an uncontrolled environment is a feeling that is completely unmatched. Spending up-close time with some of the smartest creatures on this planet, if not the smartest creatures, there is no feeling like it. I will always remember this dive. The visibility was so splendid on this day too. The water was crystal clear. I swear they just kept coming back and coming back. It was like they wanted to show off for us, like they wanted to put on a little show and entertain us. I wish I was a dolphin. Did you know that it is illegal to try to communicate with dolphins? I wonder why. The camera that I'm using is a Gopro Hero 11 for anybody wondering. They swam right under me. It's like they wanted me to get a perfect video of them. As you can kind of tell from the video, this isn't super deep. It's only about 30 to 40 feet deep. I love hearing them talk to each other underwater. It's the most intricate sound I've ever heard. What's really interesting to me is that some of my diving friends can't even hear them. Like, their ears just can't detect that kind of noise. It's so high. These two dolphins were like peas in a pod. They could not be separated from each other. And then there comes along these three. I don't know what they were trying to do. Interesting. And after this, something really weird happened. Tell me what is going on in this. What is going on there? Are they pleasuring themselves? I don't know. baby is so cute. I can't. Look at how tiny he is compared to his mommy. Oh my goodness. I swear this one was checking me out. After the dolphins came back 8, 9, 10, 11 times, I can't even count, the lifeguard came by and offered us a ride on the jet ski to the pipe, which we obliged. The pipe was a little distance from us because we swam out pretty far. This diving location is located on a power plant, so the pipe shoots out warm water and the wildlife loves it. I asked the lifeguard to take a video of us.
Okay, you guys ready? Like this?
Oh my goodness, tilt the camera.
Like this. Okay, you ready? Yeah, that's sick. Alright.
I was confused. I thought he was giving me back my camera. After getting to the pipe and descending to check it out, something caught my eye. A tasty sea cucumber with a really welcoming message on it. Aloha means family, and family means nobody gets left behind. Lilo and Stitch. Here I am descending again to show you a really humongous pincushion sea star. These are plentiful in Hawaii, but that one was humongous. I wanted to show you. And all the fishies, they were swarming the coral on this day. I think they were eating something. And as I was getting ready to come up, I saw the prettiest friend, a green Hawaiian sea turtle. It also warms my heart to tell you that turtles are no longer considered an endangered species, thanks to the amazing conservation efforts that have been successful. Contrary to what a lot of people think, turtles do not have gills and they do not breathe underwater. They are the original freedivers and they can hold their breath for several hours. This one was coming up for some air before descending, probably for 2 hours or 3. Here we are getting a lift back to shore. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more freediving content like this, and I will see you in my next video.